morning, guys. It is already 3:54. I am now in the Parramatta area. Auburn actually is the name, and I'm picking up my McDonald's order. Yeah, it's a promotion. One small chicken meal and cheeseburger, drinks and french fries. Regular price is $16.50. Bargain. Before we go out, we're going to make a coffee first. We're going to leave the bike, not the car here, and then we are walking around. I was actually been there this morning. It's still dark, and I don't know if it's possible. And look at that. That is how beautiful it is. This is the name of the place, Pringle Bay, Headland Park, Mosman. Some of this parking is not free. I mean, it's not annual pass. Yeah, 14 feet, because this one is, if I'm not mistaken, for the local government of Pringle Bay. So you need to pay if you're going to park here. Yeah, beautiful. Living in those houses is expensive. I actually been here before, very long time ago, maybe 2016, 2017. Yeah, when I was new here in Australia. During the time, I also like to explore places. I ride the bus and end up in a place. Yeah, this is one of those places. Oh, there's a way here. Oh, there's another way here. It's kind of park or what? Oh, look at this, Bondi to Manly walk. Really? Wow, that's amazing. You can walk from here all the way to Bondi and Manly. Look at this. I don't know if you can see in the video, but those are houses. Yeah, residential areas. Those mountain full of houses. I remember when we went to Istanbul in Turkey. Yeah, a lot of looking like this. They have the big river, the Bosphorus river, and on both sides, both residential and good looking. I don't know if this place is a public place or park. Yeah, it looks complicated. Maybe this is some related to Navy, Army. Oh yeah, on the map there's a Navy. Sergeant's Mess. So maybe this is related, a museum maybe. Oh, we're going back to the other side, to the other end. I remember there is a nude beach on that side. Let's go this way. This World War II loop truck and Japanese midget submarine flak armored casemate. That's the one, I think. They said it's a beehive casemate. Yeah, it's closed. There is a door, but it's locked. I think, I don't know, 1870. Oh, there's actually a walkway down there. I don't know where it starts and where it will end. Okay, so I actually get down from the road to here. Oh no, it's not finished yet. Construction, do not enter. Yeah, there's a way to go back here. Let's go down to this obelisk beach. Nudity permitted on beach only. Yeah, this is how it is. It's beautiful here. There's one guy there fishing. And actually, I should bring my bike. Yeah, walking in the heat is not good. We are in the other side of I don't know if this is still part of Shoulders Bay, but yeah, we are on the other side. And I realized that most of the in this place are historical, like that Governor's Old Port Road. Yeah, I end up passing through this way that is made by people. In every national park, there is always a place like this. I actually end up in this nude beach. Yeah, there are some people nude, just sunbathing, both woman and man. But we are keep on going, moving up here. Oh, there is a cave. Yeah, there's a cave. It keeps on going up. And I end up in this playground. I don't know if it is okay to cross. Going back to the car. Yeah, going up is deep. Made me tired. I'm going back. Yeah, this is the proper way. Going back. Sometimes the proper way is boring, but yeah, the proper way is should be the very first way to see. But yeah, there is another alternative. Let's explore this. It's closed. They said it's unstable structure. And we are back here. Oh no, it's different. Yeah, we are here in this kind of playground. There are some canyon, but it's closed. Yeah, I basically end up inside of this place that I showed you a while ago, and we are now heading back to the car. And we are going to put diesel. It's 122, 67.8 liters. Yo, good morning guys. Yeah, it is now already 11 o'clock. Already took a shower. And yeah, I'm also doing my laundry at the moment. And I'm actually just now organizing the things from my camping. Yeah, already cleaned this, already washed this. But this plate, I actually forgot to bring it on the camping. My rice cooker. Yeah, it's already clean. And I'm actually going to meet Inigo. Inigo just arrived coming from the Philippines. And we are now here in the Herbura Marina. And if I'm not mistaken, that is Inigo. Yeah, less people this time. There is just one mom and babies. Yeah. Inigo is over there. He called me. He said he's feeling cold. He forgot to bring a jacket. And then on this side there is the father and the kids. Other side, mother and the kids. This. Yeah, newly arrived coming from the Philippines.
Hello vlog, how are you? I miss everyone. I was gonna say hi to shout out to Sergio Abeliana. He's working in the airport. I really appreciate what you have done, brother, and hope to see you again, brother. Shout out to Sergio Abeliana. It's nice to meet you there in the airport.
So Inigo just came from vacation from the Philippines.
holiday.
Yeah, he managed the business, his business in the Philippines.
No.
It is good that every outlet is now occupied. Yeah, I remember before I showed you that some of this space are empty. Yeah, now it's fully occupied. Yeah, actually these are new establishment. This the Marine Port Stephen. There is this new grocery convenience store, and the rest are the usual before. Yeah, even on that side there is new arcade gaming area, new restaurant. Yeah, very nice. And the water here is always green blue. There is a group of fish on the corals. We are in Inigo's favorite restaurant.
Sabi mo kung bakit favorite.
Yeah, it is favorite because they always have
Sale.
sale, promotion.
If it doesn't have sale, it's not. Bago wala kang mabayaran, hindi ka ha.
First time ko kumain sa restaurant eh. This is what I have. Fried rice.
Ang galing.
Spicy, very spicy on the first taste.
It's very good. Really good. You know why it's also very good? It's cheap.
Every restaurant that have something like this, favorite of Inigo. Because it's always a discounted sale. We're in the grocery, and Inigo's favorite section is this section. Yeah, these are all sale, always sale.
All
Yeah.
clear.
Look at this is just $1. Buttons. Nescafe. Yeah, everything in here they are discounted. The same like on the other side. Yeah, for the food there are discounted products on that side. Usually, if you remember what I've shown you before, the fish barramundi become $1.50. I'm going to buy one of these. Yeah, this Kinder Surprise. I saw in the blog of Nelly. Yeah, she gave different egg to different to her friends, and she asked to open it, and I was surprised that there is a toys inside. Okay, we're going to see what is inside of this chocolate. Inigo said this is forbidden in United States of America. I don't know why. Okay, we will see what is this. I think there is something inside, and is it? Yeah, inside there is this. Well, like a cat. Oh yeah, this is it. Raccoon. And we are here in Pringle Bay. There is a new house. Yeah, newly developed, newly built. And do you know that wear a life jacket when rock fishing? It's the law. You must wear a life jacket when rock fishing these waters. And it is written in different languages: Chinese, Korean, Vietnamese, English, and Arabic also. Yeah, they don't write it in Filipino or in Tagalog because yeah, English is the second language. official language in the Philippines.
So there's a nice little walk around here.
Alam mo yun? Alam mo yun, bro? Pakinggan mo.
They cleared some of the trees in here, so it is now looks cleaner. Yeah. Basically, this one is in the Pringle Bay, in the whale watching platform. Basically, Inigo is here in my car to get a pink slip for his car. Pink slip is required for car registration, and I think his car is not yet ready because he is there with his backpack going to work.